guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing my monthly Ipsy unboxing for the month of March. And as always, we will also be doing like a try on, testing out type video. I love doing these videos for you guys, and I have found some really great products the past couple of months from my Ipsy bags that I have been loving. But anyways, really quick before we do get started, if you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week, so Wednesdays, Fridays, and then mail hauls every single Monday. Also, make sure to click the bell notification. That way you're notified as soon as the videos go live. But I'm excited to show you guys the products I got in this month's bag. Also, a big thank you to Ipsy for partnering with me on this video. And let's get started. So Ipsy is a subscription box that comes every single month, and the bags have 5 personalized products just for you. They also just added a new feature where you can select up to 3 additional products every single month, starting at only $3 a piece, which is so exciting. But basically every single month on the 2nd, you log on to Ipsy at 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is very important because you want to be the first one to get the good deals. But basically you can pick up to 3 additional products to add to your bag, and it goes on for 24 hours. So you want to make sure that you go onto the website during that window. But anyways, this month's bag is super cute. It says, "And off she went to change the world." And here's what it looks like. It's basically like this bronzy metallic-y type material, and then it has a little blue star for the zipper that says Ipsy. I always look forward to seeing how cute the bags are because I just feel like every single month they have a different theme, and I just always love them. They're also really great to like throw in your purse and put makeup in, so that's what I personally use them for. And here's a close-up of the March Ipsy bag. So in my March Ipsy bag, I definitely got a lot of variety, which I was very excited about. So the very first product is from Sand and Sky, and this is their Australian pink mask. This stuff does an amazing job. I was so impressed by it. So basically it is a detoxifying and brightening mask. So basically this mask is a super powered 4-in-1 formula. So it's supposed to tighten your pores, invigorate dull complexion, and also boost your radiance. So whenever I first went in, I went in with a brush that I typically use for masks to kind of get it all over the skin, and it goes on a little bit darker, but as it starts drying, it's going to lighten up. And when it lightens up, it also gets kind of tighter on your skin. But I put it all over my face, so my cheeks, nose, forehead, chin, everywhere basically. And you want to leave it on for 10 minutes. So I went ahead and set my timer. But yeah, it's a 10-minute instant detox mask that's supposed to also even out your complexion and leaves your skin feeling so smooth. So basically you're gonna set your timer for 10 minutes, and then after that you are good to go. I love a mask that's really quick and gets the job done. And also I will say that it smelled really good, and it was really easy to get off of the skin. I went in with just a warm washcloth, and I was really surprised at how easy it wiped away. I feel like sometimes I've used masks in the past and they just kind of like pull and tug on your skin when you're trying to get them off. So this one, I have to say by far, it was probably the easiest mask to remove that I've tried as far as like clay mask goes. So I really enjoyed it, and I definitely will be using it more. And again, that is the Sand and Sky Pore Finding Face Mask. Oh, and very last thing, it is actually made with pink Australian clay, which is supposed to really deeply cleanse your skin and soak up all the excess dirt and oil. So not only did it make my skin feel really clean, but it didn't feel oily whatsoever. And I could tell that even after putting makeup on, my skin was like normal, not oily, not dry, but just normal. The very next product we have is from Jolie Cosmetics. And I haven't actually tried anything from this brand before, but after using this today, I definitely want to try out more. So this is their Luxe Cream Matte Lipstick, and the shade that came in my Ipsy bag is called Lavanda. So this is a really pretty purple shade. I like the applicator because it goes around the lips, and it's so super pigmented where you don't even have to use a lip liner. It has a creamy, rich formula that's packed with waxes and oils, which also gives you a soft matte finish, but it's comfortable for an all-day wear. So even though I've had this on probably for a good like 30-40 minutes, I can move my lips together and everything, and it's still staying on really good. And it feels really moisturizing on the lips, which I always appreciate in any type of lipstick, no matter if it's like a liquid lipstick or just a normal lipstick formula. I have to have something that's moisturizing and really comfortable, especially if I'm wearing it all day long. So I really like this product. And again, it's something I'm going to be using because you guys know I love purpley shades. And I feel like it went really well with today's look. So again, that is from Jolie Cosmetics, and this is their Luxe Cream Matte. And I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys really quick just on my hand, just so you can kind of see what it looks like by itself. I know y'all saw it on the lips, but there is that shade. So, so pretty. The next product that I got in my bag is from Pure, and this is their Afterglow Skin Perfecting Powder. I have to say, Ipsy has really been coming through with the blinding highlights lately, and I absolutely love this today. So the shade of this is so beautiful. It's like an iridescent gold shimmer shade, and I feel like it's super universal too. I have a tan, but I feel like it could be worn with any skin tone. It's very blendable, lightweight, and it can be worn with and without makeup. So today I put it on my cheekbones, I put it on my inner corner highlight, I put it on my nose, and just really went all out with the highlighting today. But again, I absolutely love this color, and I love how universal it is as well. And it's blinding, which is always a good thing. So the very next product that I got in my Glam bag is from Illamasqua, and this is their Hydra Veil Primer. I've heard so many great things about this brand, and I've never tried them out. And I don't know why, because I was so impressed by this primer. So I put this on prior to putting on my foundation and used it as my primer for today. One thing I thought was really cool about it is it's supposed to prep your skin, but also maintain its hydration level. So it was super hydrating on the skin. But I also felt like just the gel type formula filled in my pores, which was really nice. I'm excited about the size of this because I only used a little bit today. So there's still quite a bit left in it. But I definitely want to keep using this, and I might even purchase a full size because I loved it. Let me know down in the comments below if you've tried other products from this brand, because like I said, I've heard great things and I'd love to try out more. So excited this came in my Glam bag. And then the very last product is from Foxy Bay, and how cute is this packaging? It's pink and white with like little splashes of like black paint on it, and it has a little flamingo on here. So, so cute. So this is the Flamingo leave-in conditioner, again by the brand Foxy Bay. And you actually can use this with damp hair or dry hair. I did it was actually going in and kind of like taming the frizz that was in my hair. But it's supposed to detangle, hydrate, again, tame frizz, which is what I used it on today. It adds shine to normal, dry, and damaged hair. And the smell, you guys, oh my gosh, the smell is so good. I love using like conditioning products because I feel like my hair can never have enough hydration. I hate the feeling of dry hair. So anything that is conditioning is definitely a plus in my book, but I will keep using this because, like I said, it smells amazing, and I loved how smoothing it was on my hair. It felt really good. It wasn't like tacky or sticky, and it didn't leave my hands like, you know how some products can leave your hands. Didn't do that. But yeah, that is it for my Glam bag for March. I absolutely loved all the products, and I feel like I got a good mix of things. I got skincare, hair care, makeup, just all around a really great bag. So a big thank you again to Ipsy for partnering with me on this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you got in your Glam bag. I love whenever you guys are like, we were Glam bag twins and you got the same products as me. But I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.